Let's make pasta carbonara. You want to start with some finely chopped bacon, a little chicken sausage, brown it really well in a pan, and then remove it to a side plate. Add some onions and garlic, a little more olive oil as well. Brown them, and then you're going to whip up 3 eggs. Pour the eggs over the onions and garlic. Don't worry about breaking it up at this point. Let it set firmly. Remove the eggs to the platter with the bacon. Now's the time to start with the tomato sauce. Pour it in the same pan. Let it reduce, caramelize. Get the pasta going. I like to use thick spaghetti. You could also use bucatini. A little something extra for the tomato sauce. Add some chopped arugula. Now start moving the pasta over to the tomato sauce. Toss it well. Add some pasta water. Let the pasta really soak up the sauce. Start to plate. We're going to start with the pasta on the bottom, a little shaved cheese, then break up the egg mixture into the pasta, and we're going to add some more cheese, and then in the very end we're going to put the bacon and sausage on top with some more cheese. Enjoy.